Hey guys, today we're going to do a review of the Tesla Tesmat. My good friend Ben got me one of these and I want to try it out on the Model Y. This is the 2026 Model Y. I have it in the front, so I'll open the front and it fits in there really good. It comes in a nice kit, carrying case. So we'll take that out, go to the back. And this is more of a higher end type of a camping mat compared to some of them. It's inflatable, but it's like self-inflating. Let's see how it works. And by the way, you can easily put this inside here in the back too. Fits in just right, designed to fit in. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and bring these down. Love that on this model, how they just automatically go down. And let's open this up, take a look what we got. I always wanted to try camping in the Tesla. Oh, it has a nice lockdown case here. I'm gonna slip this out. I think this might be like the sheets, maybe. This is the mattress underneath. It just self-inflates. Oh, there we go. So the way this works is you pull this way and then you push on the bottom one. That's cool. Slides out. And then this is supposed to kind of self-inflate. Takes about maybe 20 minutes, but it just grows bigger and bigger. I think this is probably... Oh yeah, this is the sheet set. That's great. Sure that goes all the way down. So that's a nice 4-piece luxury sheet set also from Tesmat. We'll put a link in the description below. And then here comes our cool mattress. It comes out in sections. Take this out, and then we're just going to lay it out. So that's a cool strap to help hold it all down. Alright, it comes with a quick instruction sheet. That's great. Step 1, open the vacuum sealed Tesmat mattress. We did that. Allow some time for the mattress to decompress and expand. So the foam will naturally just fill up. It takes about 20 minutes. Okay, yeah, take anywhere from 2 to 20 minutes, probably depending on the air temperature. Okay, let's give it a try. Looks like you have 3 of these, and they have a Velcro closure. The top panel's got the hard wood in there to offer as a nice thing to cover up the gap back there. So we're just going to lay these out, and then we'll let them expand. Let's see, we're going to lay it out this way. So one side is this, the other side is this, and I think these are not really designed to be like one in the middle, one on the side. I think you can just do them any way you want. They work either way. And the Velcro, pretty cool, helps hold the whole thing together. All right, let's hook them together. Inside the car. Lift this up. Yeah, they come, that's good. They come way up, all the way here to fill up this space. So these are expanding more now as time goes by. It's looking good. This has 2 sides to it. The one at the top, there's a hard side, there's a soft side, so make sure the soft side is up. And we're gonna put on now the sheeted, fixed sheets that come with the kit, and we'll see how that looks. Here's our set, comes with it, and I imagine it's a sheet for the mattress and one on top, and then pillowcases. Let's see what we got. Yeah, here's the pillow, probably the sheet that goes on top. Here's a pillowcase, it's very soft, very nice material. Here is the one that probably goes on the mattress. So we'll go ahead and put those on and show you guys how it looks. It's the fitted sheet, it's very soft. It goes around that board, you know, the one that covers here, holds that down at the top. And I just put it, yeah, no, I'm sorry, over these headrests and then down. So that's nice. Let's put the sheet on top. Got the sheet set in there and the pillowcases. So I'm going to climb in. I'm 6'4", a bit taller than normal. See if I fit in there okay. It seems very comfortable though. Give it a try. Alright, so I just come in from the back here. Lay down. Oh, it's cool. You can look up, see the stars at night like that. Move the pillow back a little bit. My feet are. So at 6'4", I'm inside, laying down. My head is close to the seat here, and I got to keep my knees bent. But again, I'm unusually tall, so I think if I had to sleep in here, it'd be okay, because I can just turn sideways and I fit in there no problem. It's just that I just can't like lock my legs straight. But again, normal average sized person's going to be able to fit in here no problem. But it's very comfortable, and the area behind the seats, it's usually kind of hollow because of those hard boards. It's nice and solid, and you can put your head down there no problem. So I like these. I think this would be a good place to camp. You look up there and see the stars at night, or a basketball hoop. And you've got your security system, you've got your heat, so you probably don't need blankets. You can just use the sheet that comes with this, and then you can easily just fold that all away when you're all done. So one thing to point out is when this closes, it's got to be able to catch right there. So you want to make sure you move this all back enough where it's not in the way, otherwise it won't be able to lock all the way. And when you're all done, you just fold up the sheets, pillowcase, you can put it back in here, and then you fold up the mattress into the 3 different sections, you put it down in here, and maybe use your knee to press down, to compress it down, so you get it very flat again, and then you strap it in to hold it, and you're ready for your next camping trip. So pretty cool, pretty quick and easy to set up, pretty quick and easy to put back away, and very comfortable.